So let's talk more about your CA journey. I also come from a CA background, and you said that in your CA journey, you made so much money, which was equivalent to your father's annual income. How did the decision of pursuing CA happen? And secondly, what has CA taught you in general, which is helping you in your day-to-day career?
So yeah, coming from again Rajasthan, Marwari family, and you would know Rajasthan is called factory of CAs.
Yeah.
And my father used to tell me from childhood that you have to become a CA. Also, there were not many options at that time which were spoken to, and that became my choice. Another interesting thing which happened was that CA also was a difficult subject and study at that time. I'm not saying it has become easier now, but if I compare, it was more rigorous at that time. It was more in depth that you need to go into it, and that's when I actually was having some doubt whether I can do it or not. And there is very interesting thing which happened in my college days. I was doing BCom, and in second year of BCom, I just roaming around in the college, and I just saw a board on which it was announced that I have stood third in the university in BCom. That's when I realized that okay, without having any goal, any focus on that, I secured third rank in university, and then why not first? So that actually instilled a self confidence that actually if you target something and if you put in, you can do it. And that's when then, of course, second and third year both gold medal that I got, and that also inspired me that yes, I can do CA. Another interesting thing which happened was that this was in Gujarati medium. I did BCom in Gujarati medium, and when I got the CA inter course, the big bundle of books, everything was in English, and everything was Greek and Latin to me. So actually, I had to start the study with the dictionary in one hand, and first 6 months actually I learned English and CA both together, and I would have used dictionary more than the calculators, which is the case for the CA that you need to use more calculators. So I think these are something, but I had a confidence that I will be able to do it. And again, coming from humble family, failure is not a choice. So you have to put in all you have. And I think once you put in all you have and you have focus, you can do it. So these are some of the things that brought me to CA. And I think it has created a lot of learning throughout, which has helped me in my career. One is a discipline that you can have in terms of your approaches, and that is very important for investing space. Second is structured problem solving skills. How do you go to the depth of the problem and solve it at a root rather than just superficially going towards it? And of course, the fundamentals that you learn, the accounting aspect that you learn, and when you are into investment, you cannot ignore fundamentals. You have to understand what are the numbers telling you. So all these things have shaped my journey into investment as well as into career.
I resonate with this a lot because when I was doing my chartered accountancy and I was staying in a hostel called RVG, Rajasthani Vidyarthi Griha, and there were a lot of Rajasthan students. So I completely agree, like Rajasthan is like the factory of CS. And secondly, when I was studying, I really learned how to balance my academic life and my professional life at a very early age. So I started my articleship when I was 18, when I just turned 18, and I cleared my CA when I was 20. I was like one of the youngest CAs of my city as well. But those 3 years, I was able to figure out that morning 7 to 10 a.m. I have to go to the classes. Then I have to go to my articleship, reach office by 10:30, 10:45 a.m., come back by 8:30 p.m., have dinner, and then revise whatever has been taught in the classroom, and then sleep again by 10:30, 11 p.m. because I have to wake up at 5:30, 6 a.m. to go to my classes. This entire routine for 3 long years taught me how to become more disciplined, how to become more patient, and how to maintain the equilibrium between your professional life as well as academic life.
Absolutely. That discipline approach actually got me also rank in the inter CA. Again,
wow.
that also was something that I thought that I never targeted. So those are the actually learnings that you have in a team, but you don't know it, and you have to bring it out.
Which rank did you have in your CA Inter?
I think in Inter I would have got some 43rd rank.
Oh, lovely.
And final also I stood first or second in Gujarat. I don't recollect.
Oh, nice. Yes. And according to you, like if you were to advise like a lot of CA students watching this video, what were some of the study tips or what were some of the productivity hacks that helped you in order to clear that exam and in order to get an all India rank?
So again, I think there is no alternative to hard work. You have to pursue it with passion and with deep understanding. And another thing which I would actually look at it is, you need to look at the fundamentals of the or principles of the accounting, and not necessarily the examples and problems that you solve. I mean, once you are clear about fundamentals, any kind of problem you can solve it. So I think just create a very strong foundation of understanding, and then it is very easy.
Yeah, I think logical understanding and conceptual understanding, that is very important. If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.